How to buy more iPhone storage. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option iCloud. Now click on the option Upgrade for more storage. With that, you're going to get this kind of pop-up. You can buy 50 GB, 200 GB or 2 TB. Also, you will get amount for that. If you buy 50 GB storage, you will need to pay $0.99 per month. Likewise, if you buy 200 GB, you will need to pay $3.49 per month. And if you buy 2 TB storage, you will need to pay $11.99 per month. Go ahead and select the storage that you want to purchase, then click on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. You will need to provide your payment details. Add your debit or credit card, provide the credentials of your payment. Once you provide your payment details, you'll be good to go. You're gonna get this storage in your device. So this is how you can easily buy more iPhone storage. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.